Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to add Square payments to your WordPress website. So without any delay, let's jump into it. First, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Square and look for WooCommerce Square. Go ahead and install and activate the plugin. Once it's installed, navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then Payments. Scroll down until you see Square Credit Card as an option. Toggle the switch to enable it and then click Setup. Here you can customize settings like the title, description, transaction type, and more to control how Square will appear to customers on your website. When you are satisfied with the settings, click Save Changes. Next, it's time to link your Square account. In the top menu, select Square and click to connect to your account. Sign into Square, click Connect, and you're all set to start accepting payments. That's it guys, you have successfully added Square payments to your WordPress site. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.